G'day everyone, today we are making the famous Hollandaise sauce. This is a sauce that is loved by many and can be rather expensive at cafes. So starting off is 3 egg yolks. Just plop those into bowl, jar, blender, whatever the heck you're using. Next you're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I just got my Dijon mustard out of the fridge, so it's a little bit cold and doesn't want to get off the spoon, so I had to use my fingers. My fingers were clean, please be assured of that. Next thing is you're going to need a tablespoon of lemon juice. I only have limes in the house and we're a no-waste household, so you use what you got at the end of the day. And with my love of gin and tonics, as I'm a gin and tonic girl, I do prefer a lime over a lemon any day of the week. So just squeeze that tablespoon in, and I do apologize that my lime was ratty. I was using one that I've used the zest off a lot. Next step, a generous pinch of sea salt. If you have table salt, use a little bit because I find that's a little bit more saltier than flaky sea salt, just as a heads up. Next, keep it spicy with some cayenne pepper. You'll just need half a teaspoon of that. If you want it more spicier, put in more. If you want it less spicy, put in less. Bit of a no-brainer on that one. Next step, blend that for 10 to 30 seconds. That will all vary on what type of blender you're using. If you're using an emulsion like myself, 20 to 30 is the best bet. But if you're using a powerful blender, 10 seconds should be able to cut it. Next, use half a cup of melted butter or margarine. Whatever you have in the house, just use what you got. Pour that in gradually whilst blending away, and that should help with emulsification. Please don't use olive oil, however, because then it starts to taste like an aioli, and that's not the goal we're trying to achieve here. We want to have that nice butteriness, which is one of the key components of Hollandaise sauce. Blend that for 1 to 2 minutes. Anything over, the sauce gets a little bit too thick, but if it does, that's okay. Just put a couple of tablespoons of warm water and then blend that through, and you'll be a-okay. It's pretty foolproof. But that is it. Everyone, that's how to make a Hollandaise sauce. It's easy. It's so freaking easy to make, and I hope that you guys make this as well. So here's a little extra footage of a bit of a slow-mo where I'm making my basic eggs and bacon muffin into an elevated eggs benedict. Enjoy, if you will. But I hope that you really enjoyed this video. Please share it, please like it. Let me know if you do make this particular dish, or if you put it on some grilled veg and fish. I really want to see your photos.